If I had to pick one exercise to blow up my back apart from pull-ups, it's the weighted ring rows. Weighted ring rows might just be one of the most underrated exercises for building strength, muscle, and bulletproof shoulders. They're effective because they combine the benefits of horizontal pulling, instability, and progressive overload. When you row on the rings, you're hitting all of the big pulling muscles, your lats, traps, rhomboids, and rear delts, and don't forget your biceps. But here's the twist, unlike barbell rows, rings move freely. That means your stabilizers, grip, and even your core have to work overtime to keep you steady. It's like doing a row and a plank at the same time. Now don't get me wrong, bodyweight rows are great, but they get easy pretty fast. That's where adding weight comes in. You can slap on a weight vest, use a dip belt, or use a backpack, and suddenly you have progressive overload, the secret sauce for building real muscle and strength. And the best part, you can scale it forever. You can change the angle, change the load, and change the tempo. They let your wrist and shoulders rotate naturally, which makes them more joint friendly. Plus, you're in a supported plank, so your spine doesn't get crushed under load. Weighted ring rows build the pulling mechanics and scapular strength that transfer directly to pull-ups. If you want to explode over the rings or get stronger vertical pulls, heavy horizontal pulls are your best friend. Most people think that rows are just back and arms, but weighted ring rows are sneaky. Your abs, glutes, and hamstrings are engaged to keep your body straight. It's basically a moving plank, so you're building a stronger midsection without doing crunches. With the rings, they demand body awareness, balance, and coordination. You're training your nervous system to stabilize in space, not only brute strength. Most people do way more pushing exercises than pulling exercises, and the weighted ring row gives you the balance that your shoulder needs to stay healthy and avoid rounded posture. And unlike the barbell row, where the bar stops at your chest, rings allow a deeper pull. Your elbows can travel further behind your torso, and the extra stretch and squeeze means more muscle activation. So if weighted pull-ups are the king of back exercises, then weighted ring rows is the prince. And all you need is rings, the backpack or dip belt, and some weight, and maybe a bench to use, and you're good to go. So minimal equipment is needed. You can do it anywhere, in the gym, at home, in the park. The choice is yours. So next time you train, don't just do regular rows. You want to do heavy weight rows on the rings, and your back will thank you later. I'm out.